Please subscribe for more videos.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 doors. Let's open number 1. Number 1 is purple. Open. Open number 1. It's a horse. A purple horse. Let's open number 2. Open. Open the door. It's 2 blue dogs. 2 blue dogs. Let's open number 3. Open. Open the doors. It's 3 yellow cats. 3 yellow cats. Time to open number 4. Open. Open the door. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 red rabbits. 4 red rabbits. Open number 5. Open the door. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 green frogs. 5 green frogs. Open number 6. Open. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 orange fish. 6 orange fish. Happy, sad, happy and sad. Ding dong. Who's inside? Can you open the door? This is key number 1. Open the door. It's a horse. It's the horse from Old MacDonald's farm. Nay, nay. Draw some shapes with me. What shape is this? This is completely round. It's a circle. Wipe it away. 1, 2, 3. This has 3 sides. This is a triangle. Wipe it away. 1, 2, 3, 4. This has 4 sides. This is a square. Wipe it away. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're sad and you know it, you can cry. If you're sad and you know it, you can cry. If you're sad and you know it and you really want to show it, if you're sad and you know it, you can cry. Who's inside door number 2? This is key number 2. Open. Tweet, 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 tweet. Seasons of the year: spring, summer, autumn, winter. In the spring, the flowers start to bloom and the butterflies fly around. In the summer, the sun comes out and it's nice and hot. We can get ice creams. In the autumn, the leaves fall from the trees. And in the winter, it's so cold. It might snow. Who's inside door number 3? Open. It's the pig. Oink, 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 oink. Time to say bye-bye. Bye-bye, horse. Let's close the door. Close the door. Bye-bye, dogs. Close the door. Bye-bye, cats. Close the door. Bye-bye, rabbits. Let's close the door and lock the door. Bye-bye, frogs. Close the door and lock the door. Bye-bye, fish. Close the door and lock the door. Bye-bye, animals. Have a good sleep.
Please subscribe for more videos.